New IPC, CrPC Bill. Criminal Law Reform. The bills are crafted to abolish and replace a trio of criminal laws. The Indian Penal Code and the Indian Evidence Act are antiquated colonial-era laws, while the Code of Criminal Procedure is half a century old. The bills have been referred to a parliamentary committee for further debate. Home Minister Amit Shah says their objective is to deliver justice, not mere punishment. India's criminal justice system needs urgent reform. Shoddy police investigations often result in catastrophic miscarriages of justice. Jails overflow with under-trials and the slow-moving courts are clogged with some 50 million cases. Legal scholars say the bills do contain some significant changes covering a swathe of the justice system. For one, they bring offences like terrorism, corruption, mob lynching and organised crime under penal laws. They allow people to register a police complaint in any police station, regardless of the location where the crime took place. They propose video recording of search and seizure operations and increased use of electronic evidence and forensics during investigation. They introduce community service as a new form of punishment. They advocate speedier justice through video trials, and holding trials in absence of the accused. Most experts say the new bills retain more than 80% of the 160-year-old Indian Penal Code, drawn up by British historian Thomas Babington Macaulay. Also, the 50-year-old Code of Criminal Procedure, they say, has been updated and amended regularly, including as recently as 2018. This is not an overhaul, says Prof. Surendranath. The majority of these bills retain exactly the same existing provisions under new names. Experts say instead of repealing laws and dealing with the massive administrative challenges that would follow them, India could have just amended the existing laws. Countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka and Bhutan are still using the colonial penal code. Singapore recently made amendments to update it and introduce present-day requirements. India also changed and updated its law on sexual violence in 2013. That would have been the way forward, not what the bills propose to do, says Prof. Satish. Thanks for watching.